Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you why XAU could actually drop in the next hours. So starting from the 1 hour time frame, we can see that XAU is actually respecting this trend line here since Monday. And since Monday means that it's like 8 days respecting this trend line. So just try to imagine how many people is trying to long using this long structure. So knowing this, you know that this is a low they're going to take, of course, because if they want to go long, they need sell orders. And where do we have sell orders? We have sell orders here and here. Why? Because of course here you have this 1 hour demand zone or order block. People is trying to buy here because they think the structure is bullish. Stop loss here, take profit, new higher high, because of course they think the structure is bullish. But what do we know? We know that if we have something like this, we should wait before buying. For me, if we go on 30 minutes time frame, you can see that here, as I said in my latest video, XAU manipulated this last low for 5 pips. Okay guys, look at this here, 6 or 7 pips. And then what happened? Long movement here, so we can see that it's leaving buy orders here, buy orders here, buy orders here. So what does it mean? For me, this is a signal that in the next weeks or in the next month we're going to go long. Of course, each buyer that tried to buy from here got stopped out, because this is a very obvious demand zone and you shouldn't buy on each demand zone only because you have imbalance and a long structure. You need to understand liquidity, because each strategy every one of you is using is well known from the institution and the banks and the people behind each movement. So you always need to think, what is the retailer doing right now? And this is what I saw. I saw this 1 hour demand zone, I saw this trend line, and it's impossible they go long from here, because below this level, as I said before, there are a lot of sell orders. Because if you didn't know, when you try to go long, a long is a buy order. To close that buy order, you need a stop loss, and the stop loss is a sell order. And that's because if they want to go long 1000 lots, they need people selling 1000 lots. So if everyone, okay, is trying to buy from here or here, you know that below this level you have sell orders, because of course everyone or the majority of the retailers are trying to buy. So knowing this, you're not going to buy before a short manipulation, because from my point of view, this zone could get easily liquidated. So guys, going on the 15 minutes time frame, I'll show you this. After this short manipulation, we had a lot of buy volume entering the market. Okay, here look at this rejection, another rejection here too. So guys, for me this means that the institution are starting to get positioned from here, because if you see from this zone a lot of rejections, look at here, 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 and for me this means that they are hiding buy orders below there. So as you can see here, I was telling you on the 50 minutes time frame that after this long volume, price dropped. So do you remember what were you doing when the price was here on Sunday? Here we had the World Cup final, and for me this means that if the entire world is distracted, they're going to do something very crazy. Look at here, when the market opened after the World Cup final, they manipulated short, as you can see here, and from the World Cup final they never went short again. So after this manipulation here, we can see that price left a beautiful 5-minute demand zone, and then they started building this liquidity here. So guys, of course I'll try a buy from this zone, because this is a post manipulation zone, here price is leaving liquidity, and if price takes that here, we could have a lot of sell orders that could become the counterparts of a long movement. Of course, this is another interesting demand zone because was after this manipulation here. I'm not sure where I'm going to buy, but I know that I'm not going to buy before the 4,000, because for me, today or in the next day, price could actually drop until there. We can see that the price here had these two supply zones. I was looking to short from this 3-minute supply here, but unfortunately the price never reached that and dropped after this long manipulation. And why price manipulated here? Because if you are a retailer and you're looking for buys, for you this is going to be a change of character, because you have this AGRI price giving a long reaction here, so you're looking for buys here and here and here, and you're going to get stopped out. And the same happens for sellers, because they're going to see this as a boss or a break of structure, and they're looking to sell around this level. So above here we have buy orders from seller stop losses, and then you have buy orders from breakout buyers, and then I'll show you the third type of buy orders. We have FOMO traders. Why? Because here, before going short, look at this green candle. Here you have FOMO traders entering the market because they think they're going to miss the movement, and from there price actually dropped because they had the counterpart to go short thanks to these buy orders. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this analysis for the next days or the next week, leave a like and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.